Hello and welcome to today's video where we look at 5 models you can 3D print for this upcoming Valentine's Day. At number 1, we have a somewhat of a decor that you can gift to your significant other. This is Music and You. I printed this guitar using Velvet Eclipse multicolored silk filament from Bamboo Labs, which is a beauty. The results speak for themselves. Now I do recommend printing this model using 0.2mm nozzle to get the best results. All of these models that will be featured in the video will be available on MakerWorld. You can find the links down in the description or the comment section. The models feature a bass, a guitar, frame, and notes. Feel free to hang a picture or use it as a decor around the house. Let me know what you think of these models as we progress throughout the video. At number 2, we have what appears to be an actual heart. Now this is somewhat of a dark joke, but if your significant other has a good sense of humor, I'm sure they will appreciate this gift. I made a base with a text you can see and one without, so you can add your message via the Bamboo Lab Studio or other slice programs. At number 3, we have one of the best models I'd say so far, which is a Love Roulette. This entire model is 3D printable, with the exception of the bearing that you will need to install to make this functionable. I will include an Amazon affiliate link down in the description if you'd like to purchase it, but the model itself is available free on MakerWorld. This model allows you to plan your date if neither of you can't decide on what to do with your free time. So if one of you decides to take a spin to plan the date, you can customize your tabs with the activities that you both enjoy and see if that's something you'd like to do. Now, I've only included PG-friendly activities for my roulette, but feel free to spice it up if you want to. You will need a little bit of super glue to put this model together and, before mentioned, bearing. If you need help in modifying some of these files, I'd be happy to do so. Just let me know what you like and I'll see if I can make it happen. And number 4, we have Valentine steam coasters, which will then be cast in epoxy in order to make the model highly durable, easy to clean, waterproofing, and improving the overall quality of the model. Now, I will also link the product down in the description of the epoxy I used. Make sure you have some protective gloves and well-ventilated workspace before dealing with the epoxy. Also, follow any precautions displayed on the product. When it comes to epoxy, you'll usually have resin and a hardener. Depending on what type of epoxy you'll be getting, this particular epoxy is 1:1 ratio, meaning you mix 1 part resin to 1 part hardener. Get yourself some measuring cups and pour the amount you'll need for your project. In my case, I made these 4 coasters, so I mixed roughly 400 milliliters, which was enough for me to encapsulate these coasters. You will have to mix the contents roughly for 6 to 7 minutes and then pour onto your mold. This mold I picked up a while back from Temu. You can buy these sort of molds online, they're easily accessible. One thing that will occur when pouring epoxy is you'll develop these air bubbles that can be eliminated using a flame. Be careful not to overstay in one spot, it just needs a light pass to pop the bubbles. Now for the reveal. One thing you'll notice is how amazing epoxy is at filling the layer lines of 3D printed parts. I can't even tell that this is a 3D printed model. I will let the video play for a bit so you can see the results for yourself. And number 5, and our last model for today's video, is a picture hanging model. I got these little LED flame kit from Maker Supply, and I've designed these little tree branches that accommodate the candles and made this sort of heart-shaped picture hanger that holds onto these branches. Very simple and romantic gift you can present to your partner. I'd like to say a big thank you for watching today's video. Let me know which is your favorite model, and once again, let me know if you need help with printing these. I'll see you all in the next one.